Hey everybody, it's Jerry. And this is the Gatling Ferro Rod. That's cool as hell, ain't it? Well, my buddy Nathan, he made one. It's been a while back, but he doesn't sell them. So I made my own. That's cool as can be, huh? That's 7 ferro rods, all in one. Well, what I'm going to do with this, y'all, I'm going to send it to somebody in hopes that it'll keep circulating. Each person who gets it, put the link to the channel before you in your description. That way we can make some new friends and just have some fun doing it. We'll keep this thing circulating until it's completely gone. That's awesome, huh? Once this is gone, last person to use it, send me the handle back, and then we're going to have us a giveaway. First person I'm going to send it to is my buddy Horseman Hills. The other day was his birthday. I'm sending him a gift, a birthday gift. I'm going to add this in there with it. Horseman can pick whoever he wants to send it to. And they can pick whoever they want to, but each person put the link to the channel or channels that are before you in your description, so we can all find it and watch and make new friends and this and that. Oh yeah. Well, let's see how it does. See how this thing works out. Got a little dinky striker. It's a pretty good striker. I like them. I use these things a lot. Got some fat wood shavings here. Go ahead and break this up a little bit more so we can get a better resting spot for our spark. There we go. That's good enough. Oh yeah, the Gatling Ferro Rod, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm getting off here. Don't forget, let's keep this thing going until it's gone. And I'll see y'all later.